There are three major shifts disrupting the recruitment and staffing industry, and within the next 2 years, they will divide the market into winning companies taking market shares from firms that have not adapted their business models to the disrupting changes. The first big shift happening is that candidates must be put first. The staffing and recruitment companies that will win the battle of candidates will also win in the end. The candidate journey and processes must be designed to offer added value to all candidates. This includes simplicity, engagement, efficiency, objectivity, and individual feedback where every candidate will get or learn something new about themselves. Everything, of course, fully automated 24/7 without having to wait for recruiters getting back to them. The second large shift disrupting the industry is fully automated processes using machine learning and AI. Within a couple of years, the majority of recruitment and staffing firms' own customers will have their own fully automated processes for applications, sifting, first selection, all the way to the final meeting with candidates. This means that margins and business value for recruitment companies will be fundamentally challenged by automated, smarter, more effective and objective sifting and selection tools. Junior assistants and researchers will be obsolete, and if you would choose to be dramatic, you could even describe it as the end of the interview and the interviewer as we know it. Knowledge of marketing channels attracting candidates and selling the match to candidates will be the main customer offering for recruitment companies in 2 years. Recruitment companies not adapting to this shift will struggle and most likely fail to serve customers with their existing business model, which largely is based on their time spent selecting CVs and interviewing. The third, and perhaps the most vital shift in the market causing disruption is the use of data. Using data to back decisions on who to hire will within 2 years be a hygiene factor within the entire industry. This means that customers will demand that all candidates and employment decisions are based on, or at the very least, have considered valid data. By gathering and analyzing data, companies will not only be able to assess and predict who ends up getting the job, but they will also be able to connect that data to performance, predicting if the people they tend to recruit also are the top performers after 6 to 12 months. This strategic and powerful employment and performance data will be priceless for any successful company. It will no longer be enough to say that I feel or think that this candidate is the best. Recruitment companies not using valid and sufficient data to support their decisions or recommendations will struggle with credibility. However, those companies that are today investing and adapting to these three major shifts, that is, putting candidates first, creating automated sifting and selection processes, and basing candidate and employment decisions on data, will be the winners in the recruitment industry within the following years. For more information on how you can be a leader through the disruption in the recruitment industry, please contact Lucas for a 10-minute video with concrete solutions.